Hi, I'm John Miskos. I run a company called TinkerElectric. We specialise in making electronic prototypes and solutions for entrepreneurs, creatives, and companies. We've got a free upcoming workshop where we're going to be sharing tips and tricks that we use to help accelerate our client projects. The goal is for everyone to benefit from these lessons so that more projects get complete and impact more people. So that means that you get to avoid the 15 odd years of mistakes and pain that I have gone through and jump to the end without the scars. So the whole goal is to be practical and to complete projects so that you can get your ideas done. Not necessarily that we're trying to provide something, but that you can practically get it done yourself. So the topics include the basics, so the hardware and software that we use to make things easy and simple, when to choose to build the project, how to architect a plan for your project. That's one of the major pieces about how to avoid failure. And then in practical terms, getting it done, how you can avoid reinventing the wheel, how you can also leverage existing work such as open source works of hardware and software so that you can accelerate your design. And then after that, we'll be opening up the floor to Q&A so that you can ask the questions for your own projects and get pointed in the right direction. So I look forward to helping you then and sharing my experience so that you can accelerate your projects and get more stuff done. Look forward to chatting then. The links are available below. Grab your tickets now. See ya.